God, I don't understand why it had to end. I hoped, I prayed, I tried, and still, it ended. It hurts. And even though I trust you, this still feels like loss. But I know your plans are for good, even when things don't go my way. I know you see the full story, when I can only see one page. Help me to release what's not meant for me. Help me to let go without bitterness. And remind me, a closed door doesn't mean you're gone. It might just mean you're guiding me somewhere better. Give me peace in the not knowing, patience in the waiting, and faith to believe that you still have a plan for me. I don't see what's next, but I trust the one who does. Amen.